you do? My name is Alfred Hitchcock, and I would like to tell you about my forthcoming lecture. It is about the birds and their age-long relationship with man.
Get yourselves guns and wipe them off the face of the earth.
It's the end of the world. Thus saith the Lord God unto the mountains and the hills and the rivers and the valleys. Behold, I, even I, shall bring a sword upon you, and I will devastate your high places.
There I was, minding my own business on a cold winter day. I went out into the front yard and heard a strange squeaking sound. And when I looked up, I saw the birds. This was peculiar. This was odd. It made me think of the 1963 Alfred Hitchcock film called The Birds, and I thought to myself, is this a coincidence?
Oh! Now, why would he do that?
Huh? Do you think that's an accident?
They're coming! They're coming!
It's not just that the birds are coming, you see, they're already here.